Tired of pouring your heart into TikToks that vanish into the digital void? Let's get those videos seen. First, open the TikTok app. We're going to dive into your settings to make sure everything is optimized for visibility. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then hit those 3 horizontal lines in the top right. That's your menu access point. Scroll down and tap on privacy. This is where we'll fine-tune who can see your content. Make sure the private account toggle is switched off. If it's on, only approved followers can see your videos, severely limiting your reach. Scroll down to suggest your account to others. Ensure all options here. Contacts, Facebook friends, mutual connections are toggled on. This helps TikTok connect you with more potential viewers. While you're here, find post views and ensure it's enabled. This is a way to tell TikTok that you would like to see who viewed your post. And finally, make sure ad authorization is enabled. This will authorize TikTok to use your videos for ads, which will get them seen. Now, remember, content is king. TikTok's algorithm favors engaging, original videos. Make sure your videos are interesting, follow trends, and use relevant hashtags. Experiment and see what resonates with your audience. By checking these settings and focusing on creating awesome content, you'll be well on your way to boosting your TikTok visibility and reaching a wider audience. Good luck!